Hey guys, Evo, you've been here, and look, there's a deer all the way out there. You can see it, it's a deer, and I just wanted to show you guys because Andy Sly, he's been telling me some life hacks and stuff. So there's my dog, and she's probably gonna bark at it again. It's still there, as you can see. Still there. Okay, let's see if the dog, no, Camille. She gonna go back to barking? Come on, come on. I guess not. I just wanted to tell you guys all the updates on my channel and stuff. I'm gonna make some Minecraft videos once I get the camera for the tablet. That kind of stuff. Oh, sorry, I was filming it the wrong way. And EvansTube just made a new... And yeah, I'm doing that. Oh, look at my dog. And this is just a mini part. I don't think you guys would want to see this. Where is it? Okay, the dog's there. We got all this stuff going on. It's been going pretty cool this far these days. I'll make some videos to make sure you guys have fun and stuff. Okay. This is just a mini. Remember, minis will be coming. Minis will be coming.